I really felt like I was carrying a lot of heaviness from my clients. I was also carrying dysregulation. I felt like on a regular basis, I could not figure out how to manage all of the emotions. If I had to have a tough conversation or make a tough decision or reinforce boundaries with clients, I literally felt like, where's the garbage? I really felt nauseous, like, oh my gosh, I'm going to lose my cookies. Nobody would know that on the outside, but it was the internal piece that really was getting to me. We also had tappers. I found that super interesting, like almost immediate deregulation. I was speechless. A traditional workshop would have done nothing. Probably would have created more anxiety because I would have left there with a to-do list. Realization that I had after going through this time was I felt safe to show up in a confident way and say the things that I otherwise maybe would avoid saying because I was walking on eggshells with clients or difficult situations. Like all of a sudden I found myself showing up in a bold way. And I was like, I really felt like when it clicked, which was a few days later, right? I honestly felt unstoppable. Like I felt like the thing that's been holding me back is not knowing how to process emotion. And now, because again, like when you have the other things, if there is anybody that is considering the VIP experience with Cassandra, I would say a couple things. One is it's worth every penny. The second thing is you owe it to yourself to do the hard work and give yourself the tools that you can show up authentically in your business, in your career. It was one of the absolute best things that I had ever done for myself, and my clients benefit from it.